we are the Wild Choices. Today in the Backyard Diner, we're throwing down something we're calling the stuffed Mac and Cheeseburger. Let's see how we do it.
Yeah!
Next, we gotta grill these up on the Pit Boss Sierra griddle. Oh, listen to that sizzle. So we're gonna go ahead and flip these. It's been about 5 minutes. Crunchification, as it's known. So we're gonna mayo the buns. Pull the buns and get ready for the build. Turn the heat off, and now we're gonna plate these up. And why not a little bit more mac and cheese? Brett, like we say, can look amazing.
It looks amazing.
Like we say, can smell amazing.
Can I get a smell yet?
Smell, yeah, you can. But if this doesn't taste amazing, then this was all for naught. Cheers. I'll eat to that, my brother. Don't forget to go over to YouTube and check us out for more content like this, and follow for more.